how to add RSS feed to Squarespace. So for this, we're actually going to use this app called Elfsight. So elfsight.com, I've just logged in with my Google account here, and I'm going to click on it, and I'll show you how we can set this up. So it's going to look like this, and basically we want to click on Add New App here. And if you don't see RSS feed, then you can just search for it here, RSS, and you should be able to see this, build your unique RSS feed presenting different news sources. Now, if we select it, then we can choose a template for this. So I'll do timeline as an example here, and I'll continue with this template. And here's the most important part. Here's where we actually add our news source. So I'm just going to click on here, and we can paste whichever news source we would like. And we can also change the layout, how this looks. And we can also change what the posts look like. And we can also change the appearance here, the color, so on and so forth. But basically, after we have set it up to our liking, we'll click on publish, and then we'll view plans here, and we will choose the option for the first plan if you haven't selected it already. And right here, I'm just going to close out of this. You will be able to see your created RSS feed. So what we want to do is click on these three dots right here, and then we will choose embed code. And this is the code that we're gonna get. So copy this code, go to Squarespace, and right here I'm just going to click on edit, and between my header and this section I will choose this option to add a section. Then I'm going to click on add a blank section. I'm very sorry. Then I'll choose add block, and I will choose the option for code. Now here, if we double click on it, it's going to load up the code, and we just want to delete this by holding the backspace, and we want to add our RSS feed. So it's going to tell us that it's currently going to be disabled because adding JavaScript requires premium. But if you have premium, then this will add RSS feed to your Squarespace website. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.